Hello everyone, here's Meljanka again with Gen R3, the channel where you restore your body, rebuild your mind, and renew your spirit. Today is day 20 of your 21-day challenge, and we're doing strength. So I have different sets of weights, and I also have tubing or elastic bands so you can work out your muscles. I will divide the body in 3 parts, starting with the upper body, then we will do legs, and then we'll do core. So the legs is the lower body, which also includes the glutes. So the glutes, however, are part of the core. And so when we work the core, we're also working the glutes and the upper body, of course, with all the muscles around it. Now, that's a lot for a 15-minute class, but I would like for you to see the different options. So when you work out by yourself at home, you can do any of those depending what your body needs. So let's get started. I'm gonna be push play to that music. Let's go. Okay, you guys, here we go. So the first thing is understanding what you're doing, right? So we are going to begin with light weights. Let's start. Pick up your light weights and we start with the biceps. Biceps slow first. Yep. Or you can follow the music like I always try to do because it's fun, right? So we change the tempo. Quick up, down slow, creating chaos in that muscle. Because the tempo change, that's what it does. Okay? Hold it here, roll your shoulders. So look at me. From biceps, you can change. Yep. And alternate. Doing different things like this. Yep. The most important thing when you work out your muscles is that you keep them under tension until they start burning. Yes? So when they start burning, you want to really resist and not let go. Just right there. Keep the burning. Yeah? Keep the burning. The more the burning, the better for you, especially for your upper body, which for women, you don't want to bulk, right? So we can do shoulders and biceps with this combination. Yeah? So we lift and open, drop and drop. Yes, that's a combo, bicep shoulder. And then we're gonna do a combo with shoulder tricep. So pay attention. Yep. Again, embrace that burn. Yeah. Okay, hold it here, roll your shoulders. Let's do it. We're gonna do shoulders and triceps. So we open here. Yeah. And we're gonna go up, down, bring it in. Up, down, bring it in. Yes. So, as you bend those elbows in 90 degrees, you're working the triceps. Not for too long, but you can do it with a combo of music too, yeah? The most effective way though, is that you load that muscle for a longer time, okay? So for example, yeah, hold it here, bring it forward, and in here you extend, out, in, press up, bring it down, and then you extend, out, in, yes? Good. Yes, and extend, out, in, and push. Can you feel it in your shoulders already? I know. So that's the way that we do it with light weights. If you're gonna do it with heavy weights, you just grab one big plate and you start doing one muscle at a time, yes? This is going to make your muscle grow more than anything. Heavy weights, right? Now, if the music is too fast, you might not be able to do that many. For example, in here, I did how many? 8. And then you change it, you go again. You can hold your elbow for support, or you can just control in there. Give me 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. So one more time, the intention that I just showed was a way that you can use the music to move. So that's the secret for tone and long muscles, lean muscles. Lots of repetition without stopping with light weight, okay? So whenever you do this again, make sure that you have a long song per muscle. So you only do your triceps and you change that tempo, and then you do your biceps, another song, and then you change that tempo, okay? And then shoulders. Make sense? Okay, let's get ready for the legs. This is gonna be awesome. So I'm gonna go heavy today, okay? You have 2 choices. If you're doing lunges, you keep it on the side. If you're doing squats, heavy weights, you're gonna place them right here on your shoulders, right on top. Let's do lots of squats. Here we go. Take it down, down, down. And slow is better for the legs, yes? If you don't have heavy weights at home, you really want to go slow, because that will make your muscle stay under tension for longer. Now, look at me. Pulse at the bottom. This is a halfway pulse. It depends how you can handle that depth. But at least this is how you start, yes? Now, I would really recommend to go at least the height of your knees. Hold it here. Going back. 3, 2, 1, and up. I have 25 pounds each right here, right? But again, heavy weights are the best to shape and grow those legs, yeah? Good. All right, take it down whole. Again, knee aligned with your knees. With your hips. Knees with your hips in a long line. That would be great. If you can go lower, make sure you're safe, okay? You're safe. Pulses. 3, 2, 1, and up. If this is starting to become too heavy, you can, in the next break, put them down. But try to stay moving for as long as your muscles hold, okay? So here we go. Gonna go and take this down. If you don't have that heavy of a weight, but you have plates, you can do this right in front of the collarbone, elbows pointing to the floor, and you go again. Super slow, yeah? Or 3 and 1s. Again, change the tempo. 3, 2, 1, and up. This, because they're in front of your collarbones, it targets your core too. 3, 2, 1, and up. Listen, I know it's hard the first time, maybe the second time, but if you keep pushing and if you keep being consistent, you will see the results, okay? Come on. Breathe. Nice job. 2 more. 1 more. These, even without weights, they're hard. Hold it here. Nice job. Okay, you guys, let's put those on. Wow, that was heavy. Release. Okay, so that would be your heavy weight. Now, remember, I did not warm up because I didn't do cardio on this one. All right, so you're gonna need to probably warm up before this. All right, my friends, let's get ready for the next song. Okay, so the third song is going to be your core work. Now, this is something you can buy. They're not really expensive to work. Now, these have 3 different resistances. I'm gonna leave them as it is, but you can choose the one that works for you. So open your legs wide. This exercise works your core, your glutes, and even your arms. So we're gonna go. Look at me. Open big. Pull, bring it in. Again, pull, bring it in. Now you can also do this. Step out, pull, come back in. Yes? We got it? Let's go. 4 more. 4. If you keep these knees semi-bent, you're gonna feel the pressure building on that leg. Yeah? Good. Now, hold it here and pause. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, come back in. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Can you feel on your shoulders? Yes? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Come back in one more time. If you don't have these tubes, you can do this with your plate. Now we're gonna do it on this side. Yeah. That's how we do it with plates. Now I keep my hand up, just pretending that I have my tubing. Yeah. Or you can keep it on your waist. Yeah. Now let's go. Out, out. Come back in. Out, out, bend. Come back in. Yeah. 2 more. Good. 1 more. Pulses. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back in. 7. Yes. Nice job. 2 more. Woo! Of course, with the tubing, you feel different, but you're still working. Yeah? 1 more. Nice job. Okay, hold it in the center. Now, get your body into a semi-open squat. You can hold the same plate or a little bit heavier. Yep. And look at what we're doing. Brace right there. We're going around. Yes. And reverse. Nice job. Working the core. Keeping your core stable. Good job. Give me 4 more. Ooh. Nice. Holding that pressure. Bringing the belly in. Nice job. Press it out and down. And then 4, 3, 2, 1. Press it up and down. And give me 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. And here we'll press it back. So these are for the side of your body, the lower back, and the upper back. Yes. Keep it coming. 8, 7, squeezing at the top. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to the center. Circle. If I want to follow the music, this might be too fast, so I can go slower, or just have the music as a background. Yeah? Yeah, good job. I know you're feeling it. Good. 2 more. Hold it here. Let's go. Press it. Out. Twist. Center. In. Out. Twist. Center. In. Woo! Almost there. Bring it in whole. Press. Bring it down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Do it again. Press up. Bring it down. You can open the elbows. Good job. Nice. And we are ending this strength class. Great, great job. So that was it. As you can see, I did different things with different weights and different combinations just for you to see how you can work your muscles depending on your needs. Normally for women, we like to go thinner in the upper body and bigger in the lower body. Therefore, you need light weights, lots of repetitions in the upper body exercises, and less repetitions and more weight for your lower body workout. But stay tuned because I'll have more to give you in the future. In the meantime, get ready for tomorrow, which is our last day of this challenge, and it's going to be stretch. So see you tomorrow. Love you all. Take care. Bye.